A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today our topic is economic system of Islam. But before we enter into the splendor of the Islamic economic system, which is our subject of discussion and understanding, we have to see Islam as a religion, deen, or any other meaning and purpose for which the word Islam is used. In simple way, the Arabic word Islam means compliance, admit, or obedience. The word Islam is derived from the word salam, which means harmony and protection. It is a general perception that Islam means dependence of Almighty Allah, but in reality, Islam can be defined as an invitation to all the mankind for peace, participation, and cooperation in the will of Almighty Allah, and in the betterment of mankind in accordance to the directive of Almighty Allah that are defined and guided in the Holy Quran. Thus, Islam is an invitation, and every Muslim is the host to what Almighty Allah believes for the universe and especially for man to live in the world. Islam is not a religion, rather a deen, way of lifestyle, that totally differ from the concept of religion, and it's clearly defined in the Holy Quran as, "Today I have completed your deen and have completed my bless upon you and accepted for you Islam as a deen." Al-Ma'idah verses 3. It is further confirmed by Ali Imran verse 85 as, "Whosoever seeks other than Islam, a deen, it will not be accepted from him, and he in the hereafter is among the losers." Deen is a comprehensive system of submission to follow and to remain in the worship of Almighty Allah, the Creator. Deen is a lifestyle of man in the absolute submission and commitment to the will of Almighty Allah. The word Islam is used in the Holy Quran as a perception, as a representation in the deen, and it was revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in which it is explained that Almighty Allah will not accept from man other deen, even it is from the previous marvelous deens. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, "By who? My soul is in the hand of one Jew or Christian, heard of me, then died, and she did not believe in that which I was sent with, then they are from the dwellers of hellfire." Narrated by Imam Muslim. Islam is a marvelous system that Almighty Allah revealed and expressed as an ample system that deals with all the aspects of human life in the transitory world, and the system is based supremacy of Almighty Allah in obedience, worship, and absolute commitment by adopting all the authentic from the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Islam is not a religion. It's a complete political, social, financial, and economic system to Islamic and non-Islamic communities. Islam is deen, differs to the religion because of definition, depth, and details that interpreted and principle of deen are broadly guided in the Holy Quran, explained in Hadith, and practiced by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as Sharia.